Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. I'm your host, Anthony, here with coffee in one hand and a big dose of empathy in the other. Tonight, we have got a letter that hits home for so many of us, balancing the demands of extended family while keeping the flame alive in our marriage. Let's dive in. Our listener writes, "My wife is so focused on her family that we never get any quality time together. I feel lonely, like our marriage has become a secondary priority. I love her family, but I'm starting to wonder if she loves me as much as them." The classic tug of war between my spouse and their clan. First up, let me say, your feelings are valid. Loneliness in a marriage doesn't mean you are ungrateful or selfish. It means you need nourishment, the emotional kind that only your partner can provide. So let's talk about how to restore a sense of us without burning any bridges. Step 1. Own your need. According to John Gottman's research at the Gottman Institute, partners who feel heard and prioritized report higher relationship satisfaction. So you're not asking for a luxury yacht, you're asking for a weekly date night or even 10 minutes of uninterrupted conversation. That's reasonable. Step 2. Schedule it. Yes, I know it sounds clinical, but treating couple timeline important appointment increases the odds it actually happens. Get a shared calendar, block out us time, and hold that slot sacred. If anyone asks, your mother-in-law included, you smile and say, "We've been looking forward to this all week." Gentle firmness is key. It doesn't make you a tyrant. It makes you a partner who cares. Step 3. Speak the same love language. Maybe your wife shows love by running interference with her siblings or organizing grandma's birthday party. But your primary love language, be it words of affirmation, quality time, gifts, acts of service, or physical touch might be different. Take a quick online quiz together. When you discover each other's preferences, you realize she might be trying to help you feel loved in the only way she knows. Share your quiz results over a cozy cup of tea and say, "Here's how I feel most connected to you." Step 4. Create micro moments of connection. If nightly date nights feel impossible, sprinkle in 10-minute check-ins. Modern couples often mistake busy for productive. But a study from the University of Arizona found that couples who engage in small, positive interactions like sending a silly meme or asking "How was your day?" with genuine curiosity build more intimacy than couples who only connect on grand gestures. Step 5. Draw healthy boundaries with extended family. This one can be tricky, especially if your wife's devoted to her family. Instead of, "You never put us first," try, "I understand how much you love your family, and I admire that. I like to find a way for us to balance our time, so I feel closer to you." Notice we are using "I" statements, acknowledging her strengths, and inviting collaboration. Boom, diplomacy. Now, let me pause and emphasize. This isn't about turning your spouse into a clone of you or creating rigid rules. It's about carving out breathing room for your partnership, so you don't feel like background music at their family reunion. You deserve spotlight moments too. If these conversations still feel awkward, you might try couples coaching or therapy. No, you're not broken. Think of it as hiring a coach when you want to run a marathon. You get expert guidance, communication tools, and an objective point of view. Recent meta-analyses show that couples therapy boosts relationship satisfaction by up to 77%. Those are not bad odds. Finally, let's not forget self-care. You're responsible for your own emotional well-being. Cultivate friendships, hobbies, and routines that keep you energized. When you bring your best self to the relationship, you'll be more resilient and more attractive in your partner's eyes. Yes, the cliche is true. Absence makes the heart grow fonder, especially when it's a short, healthy absence. So So to our listener feeling left on the bench, speak up, schedule, learn each other's love language, set boundaries, and invest in yourself. No magic wand required, just a mix of respect, creativity, and intentionality. You owe it to your marriage to claim your share of connection, and your wife will likely appreciate the clarity and care you bring to the table. That's our show for tonight. Remember, your story matters, and there's always a way forward when you're willing to ask for what you need. Join me next time on Anthony Knows, where we'll tackle another slice of life together. Until then, keep communicating, stay curious, and never stop caring. Good night. Now, remember,